welcome back to the channel, everyone. Now we're on our way to probably the last big car meet slash event in the Chicagoland area for the rest of the year. Now we're going to stay ill. I'm like with like a squad of like I think like 5 or 6 people. We got like 4 FRSs, BRZs, 86s cruising up, so should be dope. We're gonna meet up with some other guys when we get here as well. We're doing some rollers too, but yeah, it's like, it's cold, 62 degrees. Well, not really cold, but this is most likely gonna be like the last big one because, you know, November's upon us, snow's upon us, and I think everybody's literally about to put their cars away, including myself, within like the next, I'd say, like 3 to 4 weeks, weather permitting. I have no idea what the turnout is going to be at for this kind of like car meet slash event. There's an 86 up there. We'll probably meet up with a lot of them on the way up here, but hey, always like to kind of go out to these, you know, events, especially the last couple ones of them, because you're not going to really be able to see, you know, that many nice cars, or at least builds of cars, for quite some time. I don't even know who that one guy is. It's just like somebody we just found on the road. So he's probably going to the same place we are. Maybe. I don't know.
Oh no, I have more.
Shit clean, it's a nice tight bar. Decent. These like the cleanest S2Ks I've ever seen. These dudes are always together. We're out again for a light cruise. This time the GoPro is on my head, but the car is dirty as shit. And it's gonna rain again tomorrow, so I mean there's no point to wash it. that too. Sheesh. I'm gonna need to get gas soon. Waste gas 101. Do a pull downshift, do a full downshift. This shit is backfiring today.